Hello friends, welcome. We'll be making an 8-page booklet using one A4 sheet of paper. Isn't that wonderful? So all you need is a pair of scissors, a pencil and an A4 sheet of paper with your printed story on it. It could be either the cat story or the dog story. It doesn't matter because the technique is exactly the same. So the final book will look like this. From that A4 sheet of paper, we'll get a little booklet through which we can page. Isn't that lovely? Let's get started. I'm going to choose the cat story. So your A4 sheet of paper has your story printed on it. The first thing we'll do is to fold the sheet of paper in half. We'll do this from the widest edge with the story on the outside. This is also known as a hot dog fold. Looking great. Then we'll fold it in half again. And then we'll fold it in half again. This is really starting to take shape. And now we have a small folded sheet of paper, but it isn't a booklet yet. Next step is to unfold the sheet of paper. And what you'll notice is a sheet of paper with all the fold lines. So let's just quickly look at what is going to be the cover and what's going to be the back. That is going to be the front, and that is going to be the back. As we can see here, there's the front cover, and there's the back. Now we're going to fold the sheet of paper in half, this way. This is known as a hamburger fold. Now we'll take our pencil and mark the center point with a little circle. We can then take our scissors and cut from the edge towards the center and then stop at the center dot. Now you can unfold your sheet of paper and you'll notice a slit down the middle. Fold your sheet of paper into the hot dog fold again and begin to make a little diamond shape in the middle. And as we begin to push the edges towards the center, notice how the pages begin to emerge. And there are our 8 pages. There's our cover, our inside, and our back page. Isn't that wonderful? So the result is we have our cover and all the wonderful contents of the story. So to recap, once you have made your cut, you can unfold, then fold it again like you did in the first step with your hot dog fold, and then we'll open up the page along the slit. Then we'll push towards the center to make the pages. Thank you for watching and enjoy making your booklets.